Okay, so in this independent practice, you're going to be doing this on your own without any help from your teacher, but you guys can help each other out. If you're next to somebody that you trust, then you guys can actually work together. So let's start off with this one right here. Let me open up my stars, decimals, and I'm going to type in this in here. Again, we start off with braces. 6x plus 12 is less than 8 plus 8x, and close it off with braces. I can see my graph right here. So again, I'm starting with this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this. That way, whenever they grade it, they can actually see the pattern to it. So do not forget to put this, or there's going to be points taken off. Now, I have three ways of going. I can go to the right, or it's just two. I can go to the right, or I can go down. So from here, I'm going to type in this one right here, which is braces. X is less than 2. See how this one is not exactly the same graph? So that's not the answer. So what about this one? X is greater than 2. As you can see right here, it's like right here. It's exactly the same graph. So I found my answer. So what I do is I get one of these and I just put it in right here. That means that it's going to go down. Now I'm going to work on this one and I start typing this one out here and then finding the same graph. And then you can go on this one. Let me show you the different methods that you can go to. On this one, I can go diagonally up, to the side, or down. You have to try all three of them to see which one gives you exactly the same graph. You're going to do the same thing for all of them until you reach over here, the finish one. And that's it. Make sure that you understand it really, really good. If not, go back to the previous videos that will help you step by step.